Deep within the rainforests of Australia, a silent predator lurks. This is a place where nature thrives in its most raw and untamed form, where every step can lead to a new discovery or a hidden danger. It doesn't have teeth or claws, instead it relies on a more insidious form of defense, one that is nearly invisible to the naked eye but can cause unimaginable pain. Yet, it strikes fear into the hearts of those who know its secret. Even the most seasoned explorers tread carefully, aware that a single touch could lead to hours, days, or even weeks of agony. This predator is not an animal, but a plant. A seemingly innocent part of the lush greenery, it blends in perfectly with its surroundings, waiting for an unsuspecting victim. And it's armed with one of the most excruciating stings in the natural world. The pain it inflicts has been compared to being burned with hot acid and electrocuted simultaneously. Prepare yourself, dear viewer, as we delve into the fascinating and terrifying world of the Gympie-Gympie. This plant is a master of disguise, often mistaken for a harmless shrub. This unassuming plant, with its heart-shaped leaves, holds a world record for its potent sting. Its leaves are covered in tiny hair-like structures that deliver venom with the slightest touch. Join me, won't you, as we uncover the secrets of this botanical marvel? We'll explore its biology, its impact on those who encounter it, and the surprising ways it has adapted to survive in one of the most competitive environments on Earth. The Gympie-Gympie, scientifically known as Dendrocnide moroides, is a member of the nettle family. Don't let that fool you though, this is no ordinary stinging nettle. This plant is a master of pain, capable of inflicting agony that can last for days, weeks, or even months. Its common names are as colorful as its reputation: stinging brush, mulberry leaf stinger, and perhaps most evocatively, the suicide plant. These names hint at the sheer intensity of the Gympie-Gympie sting, a pain so intense it has driven some to the brink. The Gympie-Gympie thrives in the rainforests of eastern Australia, particularly in Queensland. It prefers shady, moist areas, often found along creek banks and in gullies. Its range extends down to New South Wales, where it continues to strike fear into the hearts of hikers and bushwalkers. Imagine trekking through the lush rainforest, the air thick with humidity and the sound of exotic birdsong. You brush past a seemingly innocuous plant, its heart-shaped leaves shimmering in the dappled sunlight. Little do you know, you've just encountered the Gympie-Gympie. The Gympie-Gympie's sting is its most notorious feature. This seemingly innocent plant found in the rainforests of Australia hides a painful secret. Every part of the plant, from its stems and leaves to its fruits, is covered in tiny needle-like hairs called trichomes. These trichomes are not just for show, they serve a very specific and painful purpose. These trichomes act like miniature hypodermic needles, injecting a potent neurotoxin upon contact. The neurotoxin is designed to deter herbivores, but it can cause severe pain to humans as well. The initial sting is said to be excruciating, like being burned with hot acid and electrocuted simultaneously. Victims often describe the pain as unbearable, causing them to scream in agony. The pain then intensifies, spreading throughout the affected area. The skin becomes red and inflamed, and the sensation can last for hours, days, or even weeks. And as if that wasn't enough, the Gympie-Gympie sting has a nasty habit of lingering, sometimes recurring months or even years after the initial encounter. This recurring pain can be triggered by simple actions like touching the affected area or even changes in temperature, making it a truly nightmarish experience. Stories abound of unfortunate individuals who have crossed paths with the Gympie-Gympie, a plant notorious for its excruciating sting. Hikers and explorers tread carefully, knowing that even the slightest touch can lead to unimaginable pain. One particularly harrowing tale involves a World War II soldier who was stung while using the plant as toilet paper. The soldier, unaware of the plant's deadly reputation, found himself in a dire situation. Driven mad by the pain, the soldier is said to have shot himself to escape the agony. The intensity of the sting was so overwhelming that it pushed him to the brink of insanity. While this story may be apocryphal, it highlights the sheer intensity of the Gympie-Gympie's sting. The plant's tiny, needle-like hairs inject a potent toxin that can cause pain lasting for days, weeks, or even months. Even brief contact can leave victims debilitated with pain, often requiring hospitalization. Medical professionals have reported cases where patients needed extensive treatment to manage the symptoms. The pain can be so severe that it interferes with sleep, work, and even the simplest everyday tasks. Victims describe the sensation as a combination of intense burning, electric shocks, and deep aching, making it nearly impossible to find relief. Researchers and botanists studying the Gympie-Gympie take extreme precautions, often wearing protective clothing and gloves to avoid contact. The plant's reputation is well-earned, and those who study it do so with a mix of fear and respect. Historical records and scientific studies continue to document the plant's effects, contributing to our understanding of its potent defense mechanisms. The Gympie-Gympie remains a subject of fascination and dread, a reminder of nature's power and unpredictability. The best way to avoid the Gympie-Gympie's wrath is simple: avoid it altogether. When venturing into its rainforest habitat, wear protective clothing, including long pants, long sleeves, and gloves. Be aware of your surroundings and steer clear of any plants that resemble the Gympie-Gympie. If you do come into contact with the plant, immediate action is crucial. Use tweezers or tape to remove any visible trichomes from the skin. Wash the affected area with copious amounts of water and seek medical attention immediately. The Gympie-Gympie's sting is not a one-time affair. The pain can recur, often triggered by touch, changes in temperature, or even stress. Some unfortunate individuals report experiencing pain years after their initial encounter, a testament to the potency of the plant's neurotoxin. Researchers are still unraveling the mysteries of the Gympie-Gympie's venom. The exact mechanism by which it causes such intense and long-lasting pain remains a subject of ongoing study. What is clear, however, is that this plant demands our respect. The Gympie-Gympie serves as a stark reminder that nature is full of surprises, some of them not so pleasant. It challenges our perception of plants as passive organisms, showcasing the incredible diversity and power of the natural world. While the Gympie-Gympie may seem like a botanical villain, it plays an important role in its ecosystem. Its stinging hairs deter herbivores, protecting it from being eaten. And like all living things, it deserves our respect and admiration, even from a safe distance. The Gympie-Gympie has left its mark on Australian folklore, inspiring cautionary tales and legends. Its reputation as the suicide plant precedes it, a testament to the sheer agony it can inflict. Yet, amidst the pain and fear, there is a sense of awe. The Gympie-Gympie reminds us that nature is full of wonders, both beautiful and terrifying. It challenges us to approach the natural world with respect, humility, and a healthy dose of caution. So the next time you find yourself wandering through the rainforest, remember the Gympie-Gympie. Let its story serve as a reminder that even the most unassuming plants can hold incredible secrets. And always, always respect the power of the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep your eyes peeled for the wonders that await you in the wild. Like and subscribe if you learned something new today.